What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Muses Only try-on haul. So I have a few of these on my channel already. If you haven't already seen them, they will be linked in the description. I have a whole playlist. Go watch. Muses Only is my favorite activewear company. They are amazing quality dupes for Lululemon. They're affordable, so cute. The colors, everything. I love pretty much everything about this company. If you follow me on any of my social media, you've probably seen some of these pieces already because I've been wearing them like constantly. Whenever I get new stuff from Muses Only, I live in it because it's so comfortable and it's so accessible. Like, it's activewear. You can wear it to go grocery shopping. You can wear it to work out. You can wear it if you're just like at home. So to start out, I have this little white crop top. It's so stinking cute. It has the Muses Only logo in the middle of the back. It's definitely more cropped than like your typical top. This one that I'm wearing right now is Muses Only as well, but I would say that this top is like even more cropped. But it's super cute. You can wear it with anything high-waisted. Even, I know I wouldn't wear this one as a bathing suit because it's white, but I know it comes in other colors, and even like as a bikini top, this might be really cute. Like a short sleeve bikini top, I don't know. I would not be opposed. I would try it. And then we have these cute little cropped biker shorts. They're more like spandex, like they're like in the middle of Nike Pros and biker shorts. That's the length that comes up to my upper thigh, but I absolutely love them. I think that it's like a little bit different. It's not your typical biker short. It's a little bit different. You could also wear this just like under a big t-shirt for a really comfortable gym fit. I don't know, a t-shirt, a hat, these shorts. I got these in a size 8, and I think these would look really cute together. These have been all over my social media, but this next thing I'm going to show you is a set. So these are the shorts. They're a little bit shorter than the last ones that I showed you, so these are definitely more like Nike Pros. This is like something I would have worn to like cheer practice or to like tumbling when I was in school. They have little stitch details, and on the back they have this little reflective detail, so if you're out at night, cars will be able to see you and all of that. And then the top is my favorite part. It's so freaking cute. I've worn this so much, but it looks like this. So it just has these little straps. It's cropped, and the straps actually cross at your neck. So like you could wear them crossed in the back, but they're meant to cross at your neck, which is super cute. Okay, the next thing that we have is this cute little sports bra slash crop top. I would categorize this as a sports bra, but it is a little bit longer, so you definitely could wear it as a top just with like some leggings or some biker shorts. Love the color. It's very neutral. It'll go with anything. And then I would pair that top with these leggings. They're full length. They're not the same color. They're definitely like a darker shade of gray, but they look like this, and they have stitching, so they do have like a little bit of a waistband. If you can see the front, they have a waistband, and then they have this stitching that kind of like shapes your booty, so it's going to give you kind of a lift. It's going to suck everything in and lift, which is good for us. Thank you, Muses Only. I think these two together would be super cute. And the last thing that I got from the summer collection for 2021 is this sports bra. This is probably my favorite set that I'm going to show you. This is the little like waistband emblem on the top. So it says Muses Only, and then it's their little logo, and they also have a logo on the upper back. Basic black sports bra, fits really well. It looks really flattering on. To go with that, we have these shorts. They're so freaking cute. So these are really high-waisted. So if you wear the sports bra with the shorts, it's not going to even show. Like, it would show about this much, maybe a little bit more skin, but they're really high-waisted. So this part goes around your waist, and then the shorts are just super flowy and cute, and they have these little drawstrings at the end, so you can adjust them and make them like tighter to your thighs. I don't know, I haven't really used those. I kind of like to just leave them as they are, but it's a nice little detail for sure. So while I'm sitting here, I did just want to show you a few more pieces from Muses Only because I love them and I haven't had a chance to show you guys yet. So this top is from Muses Only. They have a few different kinds of like long sleeve basic tops. I always get black because I can wear it with anything, but this one is super cute. So it looks like this. This is what the back looks like. It is this ribbed detail. You can't really see from far away. but it's ribbed and it's like a sweat wicking material. I do not know what this is made of, but it feels amazing. And then the top is a zipper. I don't know, it's so cute. You can unzip it and make it more of like a little vest, or you can zip it all the way and have it just be a top. It's so cute. I love her. There's also this black top, and this one is just a v-neck, so the front and the back are both v-neck, which is super different. I've never really seen that, but I like it. I like how it looks on the back. It shows like your back muscles and your shoulder blades a little bit, and then it comes down and shows your collarbones, and it's just really flattering, so that's really cute. Also wanted to show you guys this cropped hoodie. I'm obsessed with it. I was so happy when I saw this. It's so soft. It has a drawstring right here so you can tighten it. The hood is a nice size. You know, that's important for me. If you've seen my videos before, I love a big hood. I was so happy when I got this though, because I got this hat and I was like, these together, so cute, so cute. Just with like black leggings or like another neutral bottom and then some tan shoes, nude shoes, and this, so cute. And I know we're talking about summer right now, but Muses Only came out with some of the coolest like yoga pant joggers. This is just an olive color, but they're so soft and they're like so cool. They're just cool. This, even with this tan hat, neutrals. It's all about neutrals, baby. Muses Only, you can put them all together because everything is neutral. It's so cute. There's even these green biker shorts that are similar in color. This green top could go with either one. It's just a little halter top cami. I don't know. I love these. They're so flattering. I have a picture on my Instagram wearing this if you want to go look. And also these joggers. It's just another option. These have kind of a pattern on them, so it's kind of like ribbed stripes, if you can see it, and they're a windbreaker material, so they're going to be more waterproof, more sweat wicking, and they have pockets. So many of these have pockets. So yes, I am so happy with everything that I showed you in this video. For reference, I'm a size small in tops and a size medium in bottoms. I will have all of the links in the description if you would like to go and get anything, and don't forget to follow me on my social media if you are not already. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. All right, tudes.